Once they come out hot, you're going to add some more of that herb garlic butter on top and let it soak in. And guys, these are amazing. They're already asking me in my house when we're making some more. Simple and quick and easy and delicious. Hey guys, so as you all know, the latest craze has been these crazy puffs from Little Caesars, but we're going to make our own. It's simple and quick, so let's get started. You're going to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. I then took a stick of unsalted butter, added some garlic salt, some oregano, some minced garlic, some black pepper, some grated Parmesan cheese. You give that a mix and you're going to coat your muffin pans. I use the jumbo muffin pans to make them bigger and better. So you see me coating my pans with that. I got my pizza dough from my grocery store. You can get them by the deli section, or you can make your own, or you can use the pizza crust that's in the can, or I've even seen someone use yeast rolls and they just thawed it out and then they molded it into the muffin pan. After I shaped the dough, I added pizza sauce at the bottom. Then I added a blend of mozzarella and Monterey cheeses. Then I added turkey pepperoni, more sauce, and then topped it with some more cheese. I added some crushed red pepper flakes at the top, some grated Parmesan cheese, and some Italian seasoning, and then I put it in the oven. You bake it in your oven from 18 to 20 minutes or until nice and brown and bubbly. Once they come out hot, you're going to add some more of that herb garlic butter on top and let it soak in. And guys, these are amazing. They're already asking me in my house when we're making some more. Simple and quick and easy and delicious. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.